Hello everyone, welcome to our ServiceNow Mastery series. Today we are going to see in the record producer generated record data. So in our previous video we have seen that uh, how to map the variables in the record producer. For example, if we are going to enter any field details into record producer, then it will not reflect into the incident, but after using the map field functionality, after clicking the map field tick box and choosing the field of mapping with the incident, the value it's which we have entered into the record producer, it will also going to show into the incident field, right? This and I hope you remember this that the record producer which we have made is a flight booking request. So today we are going to see like without creating the map field, without using the map field functionality, how can we use a generated record data to manually fill the template. So we'll come to the our flight booking request record producer, and when you just scroll it down little bit, so you will saw the tab what it will contain: accessibility, generated record data, and the portal settings. Next to the accessibility, generated record data is there. So the definitions state that it defines a template. So how the the data in the generated record can come from either or both of the following resources. Where does it come? It defines when we define the template to assign the static field value for all the records created by the record producer, or by creating a variable which are questions which we have already created. So we have already saw by creating a variable, and then now it's a turn to see where the data comes from the template. So what we will do, we'll come to the template and we'll use the lookup list functionality. If we just click on lookup list, and inside the template, I can choose as a short description also flight booking from employee. So whatever the template I will choose, it will appear in the record producer and it will also reflect in the incident table. For example, in the template, I choose a short description, right? Okay, what I will do, yeah, I'll choose the short description, and into the short description, I will write a flight booking from employee. Flight booking from employee side. Next is the category. Category, you can also choose it. Category. What's the category? So inside the category field, some choices that's visible to you: inquiry, software, hardware, network, database. So inquiry I would choose, and caller. Next is description. Please provide more info. You can also choose existing template, as I have already created some of the templates, as you can see. Incident call type, major incident candidate, reset password. So all these are the existing templates. So you can also choose any of the template which is suitable to you. Now it's a timer, and just we have submitted it. So this template we can use it when we don't have to map the values manually, right? But remember also, if we have the opportunity to both manually map the values and use a template, then the precedence will come up. So the precedence will give first to the map field values, then the template, but not the template first. First, the precedence goes to the map field values. So now what I will do, I will click on update. I have clicked on update and I'll go to the service catalog. Okay. Before going to the service catalog, I will once again click on the flight booking request, because now only I just told you that for the map fields and the template, I have chosen both. So the precedence would go first to map fields. So in the variables, we have to remove map fields tick box. So what I will do, I'll come to the variables. I will untick this checkbox, map to the field and update it, right? Again, with the another variable also, I'll do the same thing. Flight booking for I have untick the checkbox, map to the field, and for the short description also, I will untick this checkbox and I'll click on update. Because the map field value we have deleted it. I'll click on update, then service catalog, and inside the service catalog, all the catalogs are there. Inside the catalog, I will choose which one. I hope you remember. Inside the service catalog, can we help you? And inside can we help you? Flight booking request is there. And yeah. Okay, so the flight booking request also I choose a able tutor. Yeah, when I just click on submit, so as you can see, the incident is created, caller field is there. So basically, the field which are not there in the record producer. So that field we have to fill, right? And when it comes on the incident fields, so to auto generate the record, see, the category I have already chosen as inquiry, so it already comes a short description as flight book for description we have already provided as a please provide more info and more what we have able tutor, right? So all these things comes up. So I think it might be very much clear to you that we can also map the field and without the map field, how we can generate the record data. So guys, in our next video, we'll see how to auto-populate the variables. Till then, stay tuned with me. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and we'll meet up again. Till then, bye-bye. And into the template, as you can see, we'll click on new. We'll create the flight booking request. Flight booking request. Table is what? Incident. Then in the short description, it depends on you what you want to choose. Then caller, I'll choose caller as able tutor. Description is please provide info. Category, inquiry help. Priority also you can choose, or you can choose urgency as high. Impact also you can choose this high, and then you can click on submit. When you click on submit, so the flight booking request is there, and you can click on it.